Palladium against US dollar this week has rise in value. The week has started with this candle where in the previous week it was expected the price reaches 974 resistance, and it has reached the bounce back down, reached the support 937.50, bouncing back up again, and then on a Friday tried to make a bullish breakout above this price level, but the price could not manage that and returned back down, bouncing with this bearish candle. A week has closed as a bullish candle. It is a small candle body with wicks on the upper and the lower side, which is information that the bulls are much stronger this week and that they're trying to push the price higher and higher. A monthly time frame has just closed. A month has closed with a bullish candle. We can see that, which is trying to point the price will continue to rise in value. What is very important, the price could not manage to go above 967, a resistance level, which is a very important price level. Now, what could happen next month? I'm expecting that the price could go up because of this bullish pin bar right here at the support level. It will be very important to see on the daily time frame, because the weekly time frame currently it is just showing me that the price is trying to make a bullish movement and reach the area around this one here, which will be around 991. We can round this number to 1000, which will be the next resistance level where the price is trying to move. The daily time frame shows much more clear information. This is the target around 1000 I have mentioned. The 1000 is right here in between this resistance and this support, but this is the target I am expecting that the price will try to reach after the price formed this bullish breakout above this resistance level 974. Now, this is something that is expected. I am expecting to reach the price here, but will the price manage, or if the price returns back down below this support level, we can see where the next target is, and also this one here. I am still bullish on this one based on the monthly and the weekly time frame, especially on what I can see on the daily, but when the price will make a breakout, it depends also on the daily time frames. This is something I will share with the traders inside the Telegram group, which will be the free on the daily basis. So you can also check, the link will be below in the description. You can also join to get the daily updates during the week. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.